The Asian elephant is the largest land animal in the continent. Its daily routine is to eat, play, and sleep. To sustain itself, an adult spends 2/3 of the day feeding on grass and roots. With its numbers having halved since the middle of the last century, however, it's classified as an endangered species.
我们这个陪伴大象呢，就像是陪伴自己的家人一样的去呵护、去疼爱它们。
In the jungles of southwestern China, a team of workers have been rescuing and caring for elephants for nearly 2 decades. They are known as the elephant papas. Chen Ziming is one of them.
救助回来这些大象，然后通过自己每天的付出，然后它能够健健康康的在你旁边，像自己的孩子一样围着你转。那个时候，我觉得是非常自豪的。
So far, Qian's team have rescued over 20 wild elephants. 7-year-old Yan Niu was left by her herd a week after she was born. Weak and helpless, she wouldn't have survived in the jungle. Luckily, Qian and his team found her and brought her up.
其实大象它也有一种反馈的心理，比如说到野外做一些野外康复训练的时候呢，不小心崴到脚啦，它会用小鼻子把你拉一把，帮助你一把。
Eventually, rescued elephants return to the forest where they belong.
所有的这个向导的心愿，都希望这些所有的大象能够早日重返大自然。
整个西双版纳不仅仅是我们人类的西双版纳，实际上也是我们整个动物的西双版纳。